What is the toll-free number I can call?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to find the toll-free number you need. We understand the importance of these numbers, especially when you're trying to connect with a business, a government agency, or customer service. Toll-free numbers are important as they allow you to contact these services without being charged for the call.
What is a toll-free number?
First, let's clarify what a toll-free number is. A toll-free number is a telephone number that is billed for all arriving calls instead of incurring charges to the originating telephone subscriber. This means that you, as the caller, won't be charged for the call. The most common toll-free prefixes include 800, 833, 844, 855, 866, 877, and 888.
How can I find a specific toll-free number?
Now, if you're looking for a specific toll-free number to call, the best place to start is by visiting the organization's official website. Most organizations list their toll-free number on their Contact Us page. You can also try doing a simple internet search with the organization's name followed by toll-free number or customer service. However, please note that I can't provide a specific toll-free number in this video as that depends on the particular organization or service you're trying to reach.
Can I call any toll-free number?
Yes, you can call any toll-free number, but keep in mind that some numbers might not be accessible from all locations. Certain toll-free numbers might only be available from specific countries or regions. Also, while the call is free, there may be waiting times during peak hours. That's all for our tutorial on toll-free numbers. We hope this video has been informative and will help you the next time you're searching for a toll-free number to call. Remember, the most efficient way to find a specific toll-free number is by visiting the organization's official website or conducting a quick internet search. Thank you for watching, and happy dialing!